What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when the price was right under $300 mark. It was at roughly $299.9. And I've told you that we had this movement to the upside that had increasing volume, and most likely we might have a rollover. And on this rollover you might enter your position by laddering your buys down. And we have this small movement to the upside that gained about less than 2% to its value from our previous point. And then this asset lost about 5.66% of its value. And definitely, if you pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this, from this bottom, sorry, to this top, as you can see, we hit exactly the range of 0.382, the first range, the first accumulation range for this asset. And as you can see, we have this movement to the upside, and for now we are hovering again exactly at $300 mark. So what should we expect next? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with some fundamental news. And I have to say that we have several news that might be not so bullish on Tesla. That's why you have to be cautious with the upcoming movements. And first of all, let me show you this article. We are on InsideEVs.com, and this article was published on September 15th, and it's titled "Tesla could drop plans for Giga Berlin battery cell plant." And let me quote you this. Tesla is reportedly pausing plans to make battery cells at Giga Berlin in Germany as it reconsiders its strategy in order to qualify for US EV and battery manufacturing tax credits. According to the Wall Street Journal, which cites people familiar with the matter, Tesla is looking to benefit from tax credits that will be offered to car makers who build EV components, including batteries in the United States. Tesla had planned to build a battery plant next to the vehicle assembly plant in Grünheide with the capacity of more than 50 gigawatt hours a year. The aforementioned report notes that Tesla is now considering shipping the equipment destined for battery production in Germany to the United States instead. So, definitely it is not a good news for Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin, but I have to say that it is quite obvious news from the bigger picture, because if you want to have some benefits on your facility, on one country or another where your production facilities are located, definitely you might have some of these logistical issues, and you might have changed plans. Definitely it might be the case, but let me show you this article. It was published on Teslarati also on September 15th, and it says German minister responds to reports of Tesla's alleged updates to Giga Berlin battery plans. And let me quote you this. Robert Habeck, German economy minister, has issued a statement relating to reports of Tesla's supposed updates to its Giga Berlin battery plants. According to the official, he has no information on any changes that Tesla intends to implement in its Giga-based electric vehicle factory. So, it is quite debatable. Will Tesla give some information to German's official or not? Definitely it might not be the news that might cancel the previous one, but it is still some kind of gray territory for Tesla right now, and that's why we have to be very cautious. And let me show you another bearish news that might be a bearish news for Tesla. Let me show you this article. We are on electric.co, and this article was published on September 13th. Tesla has special code for crash testing in its cars, and it's rising red flags. And let me quote you this. It was discovered that Tesla has special codes in its vehicle software related to crash testing with auto safety agencies. It is raising red flags with those agencies. Green, a well-known Tesla hacker who often finds interesting tidbits of information in Tesla software, reported that Tesla has been adding code that involves crash testing agencies, including NCAP and Euro NCAP, which just tested the Model Y. And here is the tweet from Green, and definitely it might be some kind of red flag, because let me show you this information. The concern is that Tesla might be changing settings in its vehicles to optimize for the tests, which could be cheating. It is not unlike what happened during the Dieselgate scandal, when automakers were caught having software that detected when the vehicle were emission tested and optimized for better results than would happen outside of the lab. And on the one hand, it might be quite bad news, because if there is some cheating in their software code, definitely it might be the negative catalyst for Tesla. But think of it like this. All of the crash testing related on the basically not on the software, but on hardware of the vehicle. And definitely you cannot fix some hardware during this type of, by basically changing the software code. And that's why just be cautious, and we have to be prepared for any type of news. But overall, let me show you the news that might definitely drive the price of Tesla. So on September the 12th, we have this article that is titled "Tesla China VP posts key update on Giga Shanghai's supply chain." And let me quote to this. Tesla China VP Grace Tao recently shared some key insights about Gigafactory Shanghai's operations. As per the executive, the supply chain of Tesla's China-based factory is only getting more and more efficient. And you all know that Gigafactory Shanghai is the largest Tesla's production facility right now. And when they increase the efficiency of this plant, definitely it improves the overall numbers of deliveries and of production rates, and this improves the fundamentals of this company. And on a greater scale, I have to say that in my opinion this news might be one of the biggest, and it is quite outdated. It was published on September the 12th, but still I didn't cover this news yet since I made my previous video. And on top of that, I have to say that another analytics firms, Needham and Company LLC, upgraded its rating, and they set the hold rating instead of underperform, but they didn't specify the price target. This means a lot of institutional investors are very interested in this asset, and that's why we might see an increase in price of Tesla. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we still have this range of $339.47 as the medium-term price target, because we don't have major movements to the downside that broke previous ranges of support and crucial point of roughly $265.9. Definitely, we still have this range in a medium-term perspective, and it implies from our current range about 13% of potential profits. But I highly recommend you not to enter your position right here, because we are again in some kind of consolidation phase, and we don't have major improvements in the volume during this movement, during this basically retracement mode, and again bounce to the upside. That's why we have the range of about $306 or $307, one of the ranges of resistance. And the second range is right here, $288.49. And depending on the breakout above the range of resistance or below the range of support, we might decide which direction this asset will go in upcoming weeks. Definitely, for now, we are nearing this crucial point, because the consolidation phase lasts for quite some time, and we have to see the breakout above or below crucial points. That's why, in my opinion, just stay aside from any trade. But if you entered your position as I predicted previously, from the range of about $272.13, just put your stop loss in the green territory in order to be in the profits no matter what. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it.